Did you know that you could have sleep apnea even if you're not a 60-year-old obese man that is often intoxicated and overstressed? Yeah, you can be a young, healthy individual because snoring and sleep apnea have many, many root causes. Some people just have the one root cause. Some people might have a handful of them, exasperating when their body is going to show the negative side effects of it. So if you snore or have sleep apnea, then I would love for you to reach out and let's talk about why you're doing it, because perhaps there is a solution to your snoring and you can wake up with more energy, less cognitive decline, and a better future.